What's up, you guys? I have a quick recipe for cauliflower shrimp fried rice. I'm going to be coating my pan with the olive oil spray at 0 calories. This recipe is keto and bariatric friendly. I have my onion, celery, and bell pepper blend that I'm going to be adding my shrimp to. I'm adding my rice cauliflower to my shrimp while they're still cooking so that the cauliflower rice can kind of soak up that flavor. My peas and carrots, some garlic salt to season, black pepper, and some Old Bay. And I'm going to give that a stir. And again, you guys, if you want us to add like soy sauce just to get that more authentic flavor, you can. I'm just doing something quick. I'm going to add my egg so I can have my egg and my fried rice. And this took me about 6 minutes to cook, y'all, and it was very good. Here's the finished product: 230 calories, 24 grams of protein, and yeah, good night.